Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Eating vegetarian and vegan during pregnancy. In this video, you will get to know how to get the protein and other key nutrients you need without sacrificing your diet during pregnancy. You can still follow a vegetarian or vegan diet when you're pregnant. Don't be surprised if you come across well-meaning naysayers. There are still so many misconceptions about vegetarian and vegan diets during pregnancy. In truth, vegetarians and vegans have perfectly healthy pregnancies and babies. Why is there any concern at all? Some of the most vital baby-boosting nutrients are more easily found in meats and other animal-based products, but it's still a cinch to get them elsewhere. Nutrients that you will need to be extra careful to get when you're pregnant and vegan or vegetarian. Protein, calcium, iron, vitamin B12 and vitamin D are all nutrients to be mindful of when you're expecting and adhering to your vegetarian or vegan diet. Protein. Why? Expecting women need more protein than ever. That's because this essential nutrient helps build cells and make hormones for your growing baby. If you are a dairy and egg-eating vegetarian, you may already get what you need from potent protein sources. If you are worried you are not getting enough or are a vegan, there are veggie-based proteins that you can add into your diet. How much? 75 grams per day. Best protein sources for vegans or vegetarians to eat during pregnancy. Legumes, whole grains, soy and nuts and seeds. Split or green peas, chickpeas, black, navy, kidney or pinto beans, quinoa, bulgur, buckwheat and whole wheat squashes, oatmeal, whole wheat pasta, whole grain cereals and breads, nut butters, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, almonds, Brazil nuts and pine nuts, soy milk, tofu, miso. Calcium. Why? Calcium is key during pregnancy for building your baby's bones, muscles, heart and nerves, especially during the third trimester. In fact, it's so essential to his development that what he doesn't get from what you eat, he'll take from your bones, potentially putting you at risk of osteoporosis later in life. Luckily, dairy products aren't the only options for getting your daily recommended calcium. Your practitioner may also suggest that you add a calcium supplement for extra insurance. How much? 1000 mg per day. Best calcium sources for vegans or vegetarians to eat during pregnancy. Yogurt, milk, cheese, green leafy vegetables, soy milk, tofu, calcium fortified orange juice. Iron. Why? Your blood volume increases by nearly 50% during pregnancy to support you and your developing baby, and iron is required to produce more red blood cells. Not getting enough? Low iron can result in anemia, which left untreated may also lead to preterm labor and low birth weight. Vegetarians and vegans aren't alone in needing to be conscious of iron levels during pregnancy. Even red meat eaters have a hard time getting enough from their diets while expecting. One simple way to get what you need is to take an iron supplement, which your practitioner may recommend in addition to your prenatal vitamin after week 20 or earlier if routine testing shows your iron stores are low. It's a good idea to also chow down on iron-rich foods. How much? About 27 mg. Best iron sources for vegans or vegetarians to eat during pregnancy. Beans, edamame, soy products, oat bran, barley, quinoa, bulgur, pumpkin seeds, dried fruit, spinach, collard greens or kale, seaweed. Vitamin B12. Why? Vitamin B12 partners with folic acid to help with proper fetal brain development. It's also important for the formation of red blood cells and for building genetic material. A deficiency has been linked to neural tube defects as well as increased risk of preterm labor. Though B12 deficiencies are rare, vegetarians and particularly vegans often don't get enough of this vitamin since it's found only in foods that come from animals. Ask your practitioner if you need more than what's provided in your prenatal vitamin. She can recommend a supplemental B12 as well as folic acid and ensure you are not getting too much of a good thing. How much? 2.6 microgram per day. Best vitamin B12 sources for vegans or vegetarians to eat during pregnancy. Vitamin B12 fortified soy milk, fortified cereals, fortified meat substitutes. Vitamin D. Why? This vital vitamin plays a role in building and maintaining healthy teeth and bones. Severe deficiency has been linked to complications including congenital rickets, a condition that causes the bones to become soft and weak, leading to poor growth and skeletal deformities, as well as bone fractures in newborns. How much? 600 IU a day. Best vitamin D sources for vegans or vegetarians to eat during pregnancy. The best dietary sources for vitamin D are milk and fish. If neither are part of your diet, a few minutes of sun each day helps your body produce vitamin D, though that can be tough, especially if you have darker skin. Live in less sunny climates or don't get outdoors a lot. You can get some vitamin D from fortified soy milk, breads, carrots, almonds, cereals, and OJ, but usually not nearly enough. Fortunately, you can get what you need from a supplement. So ask your practitioner about testing your vitamin D levels and prescribing a supplement as needed. How will you know a vegetarian or vegan diet affect your baby, and how will you know there's a problem? There's every reason you can have a healthy pregnancy and baby as long as you eat a well-balanced pregnancy diet focusing on the above nutrients, take your prenatal vitamin every day, visit your doctor for all of your regular prenatal appointments, and don't hesitate to share any symptoms that concern you. Your doctor will monitor you for any potential issues and ensure you're not deficient in the nutrients you need. What if you crave meat while you're pregnant? Given all those changes in hormones, lots of expecting moms find that their taste in foods change somewhat or even a lot in pregnancy. And most pregnant women have food cravings, often for meat. If you feel okay about making an exception for meat during pregnancy, that's perfectly fine. You can get back to being vegetarian or vegan if you want after baby's arrival. You may also want to consider just adding fish, eggs, and dairy to your diet if you don't eat them already. Again, it's not necessary. Otherwise, focus on eating your favorite protein-packed meat substitutes which may help calm cravings. Can you stay vegetarian or vegan while you are breastfeeding? You can stick to your vegetarian or vegan diet if you are breastfeeding. However, if your diet might be lacking some important vitamins and minerals, B12, zinc, or calcium if you are vegetarian or vegan, and especially if your baby has health problems or was born prematurely, your doctor might recommend additional supplements for your baby. If you decide to feed your baby a vegetarian or vegan diet, once he starts solids, be extra careful to ensure he's getting all the nutrients he needs. During your pregnancy time, take a good care of yourself regarding your diet and lifestyle. Always be attentive with your doctor's appointment. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.